Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to make money with Seowriting.ai. First, open the Seowriting.ai website on the web browser. Then you'll find the builder option at the top. Click on it and you can create articles that are SEO optimized and ready to hit the top of Google searches. You can make money with Seowriting.ai's first-click blog post by using it for affiliate marketing, content creation services, blogging, and content generation. You can make money with Seowriting.ai using the blog articles generation method by leveraging it for content creation at scale. You can make money with Seowriting.ai using its humanizer tool by offering content writing and paraphrasing services. Here, click on one-click blog post and enter your main keyword and title. In course settings, choose the language, article type, article size, and text readability. Now add details to include and fill the media hub area. After that, click on the documents at the top and you can add your documents here. Go to the brand voice and make it easy to write in your style with customized voices in the content created on Seowriting.ai. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.